Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the tools that keep us smiling confidently every day. If you've been on the hunt for a powerful yet hygienic electric toothbrush, you might just want to stick around for this review. Today, we're taking a look at the Pursonic RET200 Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. And let me tell you, it's got some unique features that set it apart from your typical toothbrush. But is it truly worth the investment? Let's find out. First up, this toothbrush is equipped with UV sanitizing technology, which claims to kill up to 99.9% of germs on the brush heads. That's a pretty impressive feature, especially for those of us who are constantly concerned about hygiene. I mean, we use our toothbrushes every day, so it only makes sense to ensure they're as clean as possible, right? The UV cleaning technology helps keep the brush heads germ-free between uses, so you don't have to worry about bacteria buildup. Now, on to the core of the toothbrush's performance, the advanced electric cleaning technology. It delivers a staggering 8,800 oscillations per minute, which is significantly more than what you'd get with a manual toothbrush. That's a key benefit because it allows for deeper plaque removal and a more thorough clean. It's like giving your teeth a professional cleaning at home, every day. Another feature worth mentioning is the 3 different cleaning modes: powerful, soft, and massage. Whether you need a deep clean, a gentler option, or something to give your gums a little love, the RET200 has you covered. Personally, I've been using the soft mode for my sensitive teeth, and I've found it to be gentle yet effective. The powerful mode, on the other hand, gives a satisfying deep clean that feels like it's reaching every corner of my mouth. What I really appreciate about the Pursonic RET200 is the built-in 30-second interval alert system. This is a game changer for making sure you brush each quadrant of your mouth evenly. I've noticed I'm brushing more mindfully now, focusing on each section for the right amount of time. Plus, it comes with an inductive charging system and a long-lasting battery. I've gone days without having to charge it, which is always a bonus when you travel frequently, like I do. As for the included brush heads, you get a set of 12, which is fantastic. With regular use, I'm sure these will last me for months, and the fact that I don't need to worry about replacing them frequently is a huge plus. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the UV sanitizing feature is definitely a standout, and the multiple cleaning modes give you a lot of versatility. The power and oscillations also leave your teeth feeling cleaner than most manual options. On the flip side, it's a little bulkier than some other electric toothbrushes I've tried, so it might take up more space in your bathroom. And while it's not a deal breaker, the vibration can feel a little intense on the gums, especially on the higher settings. Is this toothbrush worth the price? Personally, I think it is. Given the advanced technology and extra features like the UV sanitizing and long battery life. When compared to other electric toothbrushes in the same price range, it definitely offers more value, especially with the additional brush heads. If you're on a tighter budget but want something similar, I would recommend looking at brands like Oral-B or Sonicare, which offer models with good cleaning performance, though they may not include UV sanitizing or as many brush heads. In terms of build quality, the RET200 feels solid and durable. The materials are well crafted and the charging system works seamlessly. The toothbrush itself doesn't feel flimsy, and the inclusion of multiple heads ensures you're set for a while. As for longevity, the brush heads are durable, and I can see this toothbrush lasting me quite some time. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if this review has helped you in making a decision, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review like this one. Your support means everything. If you're eager to grab this toothbrush, check the link in the comments for easy access. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Stay beautiful, inside and out.